Do you want to read your favorite comics without internet? In this video, I will show you how to download episodes on the Webtoon app for offline reading step by step. This feature lets you enjoy your favorite series anytime, even when you don't have a connection. Downloading episodes is perfect for traveling, commuting, or saving mobile data while reading. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Webtoon app. In this first page, you will choose your episodes or your Webtoon story that you want to read. You can, for example, go to your history. Let's go to our history here on profile. Then in this my history, I will choose this one, the first one here. After that, you will find these three dots, so you will click on three dots on above. And then here in this list, you will find download, so you will tap on download. Then here in this page, you will find, for example, if they give you like this, you will click on this sign here to cancel it. And here you can choose or select the episodes that you want to download, and then we click on download here, and it will be started to download in that way as you see here. So the download is completed and you can read it without Wi-Fi or internet here. As you see, we click on read now and you can read it easily. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.